a novel way to celebrate the holidays. The Media Center at Robert Smalls International Academy is filled with student-created artwork for the 10th annual Holiday Book Craft Contest. Students use old books or printed materials and turn them into beautiful holiday decorations.
I made Frosty the Snowman, and I used cotton balls and like rocks and buttons and music notes as the old paper.
I made this Christmas tree. It's like half, and then I stuck it into a book and put a hat on it because I thought that would look cute.
Some of the students use different kinds of folding techniques to make their decorations.
You just take one piece of paper, fold both sides in horizontally, then you mirror it with another piece of paper, and then after you do those, you put them together and you take 3 pieces of paper and fold them down. And you just repeat the process over and over again, and it makes that.
So I took this book, a chapter book. You take 2 of the pages and fold it down. And then you just keep repeating the process. And then I got this.
The school holds a holiday competition each year as a fun way to encourage students to read more.
When you read, it's like a little adventure, and like when you read, it's like you're in the book.
I like reading because there are so many different genres, so many different types of books. You get to pick which book you read, and you get to decide whether you like it or not. You get to learn about the author, and if the book is about them or if the book is about something that they wrote, you get to see the connections. And it all, at the end, when you close the book, you're just like, it's like a breath of fresh air. You know, you finish it and you're happy with yourself. You're satisfied, usually.
The school named 3 winners from both the elementary and middle academies. Each winning student was given a gingerbread house making kit. At Robert Smalls International Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.